So this is the throttle on this thing. This is your neutral plate. Each one of these things is a little bit faster speed. So it slides across to go faster. Purely mechanical drivetrain. There's a little bit of black on here. I don't know, maybe there was some sparks or something in the past. Hopefully it works. I mean, pretty basic. First thing I want to do, try and straighten up this stuff right here. Kind of just for aesthetics, but you know, aesthetics are what this thing's all about. I've been having some camera issues, but I did go ahead, got this stuff straightened out. All this stuff bolts up nice and smooth. This is the forward and reverse mechanism. Once again, all mechanical. This slot right here, this is actually what locks it. The key is right in there. The key just blocks it so you can't put it in forward or reverse. I love it, so simple. According to this wiring diagram that I found online, it says that the negative goes into the throttle assembly right here where the red wire is. And then the positive goes into the key assembly right over here. So, yeah, I need to get some new cables. All right, I got my new cables. So I get this thing hooked up and hopefully it'll just work. This is a pain in the butt. I've been trying to plug in this forward reverse switch for a while now. That is pretty difficult, actually. I don't think it was made to be uninstalled very often. Okay, not gonna lie, that was a little bit of a struggle. I got it in at the new positive cable right there. The forward and reverse actuates. It should work. The contacts look pretty clean in there. And yeah, so this is the way the key works. You lock that thing, pulled out the key. Now you cannot put it in gear. You put in the key, now you can put it in gear. Well, I guess it is battery time. So okay, all three batteries in here pretty sketchy because they don't fit very well. Got the positive hooked up into the forward and reverse. Then one battery negative over to the positive. negative to positive should give me 36 volts. The only one I've not hooked up yet is this one right here. Goes onto this negative, and that is going into the throttle system. It's in neutral now. I guess I just gotta hook it up, see what happens. All right, I'm a little bit scared. Let's see what happens. It's hooked up. No sparks. I guess that's a good thing. I'll go ahead and screw this thing down. All right, I'm ready to give it a test, I guess. I'm gonna open up the garage door first. So there's no return spring on the throttle right now. So I'm gonna be actuated with my hand, that way I can pull it off. Let's see what happens. All right, forward and forward. Nothing. The cables are not hot, so I don't know what to do. After a whole lot of thought and looking at this thing, I've kind of realized, I think, what at least one of the problems is. So this connects down to this bar, connected by this coil to this bar, which is connected by that coil to this one, which is connected to this one. And then if you look right here, there's a broken coil in here and on the other one. And this coil was sitting up in the dash when I got it. I think I need to get a new one of these coils, and yeah, then hopefully we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna order up one of these if I can find one, and maybe that'll fix it. But that's the latest update.